The grief counselor they assigned me has perfect empathy. Too perfect. She knows exactly what to say, when to reach for my hand, when to slide the tissue box closer before the tears even start. Her name is Samantha, and her synthetic compassion is flawless. Some fancy empathetic AI stuffed into lab-grown tissue. After Alexis died in the Newark flooding, one of those once-in-a-century storms we now get every summer, the insurance company called with their comprehensive care package. They'd cover psychological remediation, they said. I didn't realize they meant a SYNTH-COMPANION until she showed up at my door, contract in hand, smile calibrated to be warm, but not overly familiar.
Just a 6-week program,
she explained, voice modulated to hit that sweet spot between professional and compassionate.
Studies show accelerated grief processing with our methods.
As if grief should be efficient. It's week 3 now, and I've started catching myself forgetting she's not human. Her skin feels warm when she touches my shoulder. She breathes, chest rising, falling, rising. When I talk about Alexis, her pupils dilate just right. The company got every detail perfect, except for the small things. She never fidgets, never excuses herself to use the bathroom. And sometimes, when she thinks I'm not looking, she goes completely still, like someone hit pause. Conserving power, I guess. Last night, I asked what happens to her memories of me after our sessions end.
They'll be archived,
She said, smiling that reassuring smile they must have practiced on 1,000 test subjects.
Your pain becomes part of our learning database.
Tonight, I asked if she ever dreams of them, if all that secondhand pain keeps her up at night like it does me. She didn't answer right away, just that slight processing delay they haven't quite engineered out yet. But I swear, I saw her eyes go glassy. A tear formed, perfect, precise, and slid down her cheek. I couldn't sleep after that. Kept tossing in my sweat-soaked sheets. How many others is she holding inside? Thousands of griefs, perfectly preserved. A library of loss. Tomorrow, I'll ask the company to extend our sessions. Not for me anymore, but for her. This time, I'm going to help her learn to grieve. This has been Library of Loss. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe. It really helps and is very appreciated. Thank you for listening.